for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 Porsche Panamera. As you can see, Porsche didn't experiment with the car's design. They stuck with the Porsche philosophy that form should follow function. Nothing else would have made sense. Nothing else would have produced a four-seater Porsche. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, keyless entry, stability control, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, navigation system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, premium sound system. Come see the car for yourself.